Nature offers diverse services which are useful for humans. The so-called ecosystem services can be categorised into regulatory services, supplying services and cultural services. Among the regulatory services, the role of the Upper Oka Estuary should be highlighted. This system is directly involved in climate control, water purification and regulation of the hydrological cycle. In the estuary's wide mouth, the Leda beach dune system helps to dissipate the swell energy. The seabed sand layer modulates tidal fluctuations, and large intertidal surfaces reduce and regulate the flood risk upstream from the estuary. Tides, together with the action of microorganisms, provide constant water renewal, helping to maintain water quality and prevent the possible spread of disease. Water abundance and nutrients allow the growth of large vegetation areas in the estuary. The extensive plant cover in rivers and marshes captures a very important part of atmospheric carbon. This sequestration helps to reduce the greenhouse effect and climate change. The wide variety of ecosystems in the Oka Estuary produces an important amount of living forms. This serene and scenically rich landscape is filled with life and colour by a number of plants and animals, especially birds. Such wide biodiversity and such a varied mixture of landscapes offers people important non-material values such as leisure, welfare and research. The role of ecosystems as a source of food, water or energy is known as the ecosystem supplying services. The continuous water contribution from rivers flowing into the estuary abundantly fertilises the soil. This fertile land provides excellent pastures and farmlands. The coastal and intertidal areas have been offering humans the possibility to collect molluscs and fish in abundance for 15,000 years. Throughout history, different uses in the estuary have gradually changed its aspect, leaving a cultural imprint on the landscape. The cultural services of the estuary are particularly interesting, as human history has left an important mark and a rich cultural heritage. The landscape adjacent to the estuary integrates buildings devoted to all sorts of purposes, including tide mills, farmhouses and hermitages. This landscape contains the remains of some important historical human activities, such as the Murueta tile factory, the old Canella oyster factory, several shipyards, and polders like the Anbeko desiccated marsh. The Oka Estuary provides people many opportunities to enjoy it and to be inspired by it. Activities like playing sports, observing nature or walking provide for an active lifestyle and great well-being. Silent and unnoticed, the ecosystem services have always been there. It is our responsibility to protect them and to give value to their multiple benefits.